Brad Williams, Excel Prime. In this tutorial, we're going to touch on the count blank function. Count blank, sort of self-explanatory, isn't it? We're counting blanks. Here's the information. We just have a list that has some publicly traded companies, all familiar names, I would think, if you're in the US. If not, here's Fortune 500 companies. Over on our right is an explanation. The count blank function returns the number of blank cells within a specified list. Here's our list. Text number, error, and space-filled cells are not counted. Text, number, error, and space-filled cells. That means if you just put in, you just hit the space bar, we're not going to count those. Blanks are blanks. Here's the formula, count blank, B5, B13. That's it. Count blank returns, in this case, F9. We will see different numbers. And then there's other count functions that we're going to go over. We have the count A, which counts text and numbers. We have the count that counts only numbers. We have the COUNTIF, and we've run into COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. And here we have count blank. I'm going to hit F9. We have 0. Keep in mind, we're not counting errors. There are no blanks in here. Hit F9. We see 1 blank. Hit it again. We have 0, 0, 3. How do I incorporate the blanks? Look here, choose ran between, and if you incorporate 2 quotes, well, we can fake out the count blank by using that technique. NA is just the entry, and still the count blank will look at that, not look at it in terms of a blank. And the names here are just the company names. Hit F9, and that's count blank, Brad Williams, Excel Prime.